Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and very good day for all the respectful judges for the TISA UUM Innovation Competition INNOCOM 2025. My name is Dr. Siti Aisyah Idrus. I'm a team leader for this innovation project called Smart Service Sequence Learning Kit. And together with me, team member, Associate Professor Dr. Nur Azimin Zainol from University of Tabuk. And my student itself, Muhammad Amir and Shahizul. And also I invited the industry advisor in order to verify the content, in order to make sure that all the content are aligned with the restaurant and industry needed for the hospitality students. So what is the Smart Service Sequence Learning Kit? So we go for this innovation overview. This innovation is learning tool combining elements of teaching, learning, and service quality designed to enhance the student understanding, interest, and experience in service preparation and delivery. And for all the judges' information, this innovation will help the student for the course called as a food and beverage services. This is the compulsory courses for all the hospitality students. So this innovation will help the student in terms of hand-on experience and empower the students, and also for the service quality to enhance the quality, the service quality and understanding of F&B processes. Not like that, it also for sustainability and smart practices for the student in order to make sure that they are future ready student in the future, in order to have an efficient, organized and sustainable service management. And for the judges' information, this innovation also under copyright application with ICC, and we are in the final stage to get our IP, inshallah. Right. So, what is insist us and motivate us to do this innovation actually? Because when I teach these courses, I feel that the student is hard to memorize and apply 30 service sequence step. They're hard to memorize, and the learning is using text heavy and passive. They don't have any infographic, they don't have any visual, short visual, and they don't have any innovated about the segregate all the sections. So they have a very complex sequence to memorize. And that will make the student lose confidence and lose the motivation, and they feel anxiety during serving to the real guests. This is the real challenges to the students. Not only that, we're also doing the pilot test recently. The students say that, doctor, there are too many steps. I'm confused. Doctor, I'm lost. I don't know what to do in that step. Picture alone are not clear, are unclear. So this is the reason why the problem is insist us to do the smart service sequence learning kit in order to help students to in their learning process. Okay, this is our journey of this innovation. Actually, we already undergo for the two innovations. We have a very expand, and we improve our innovation. For 2020, the only infographic smart booklet. They don't have any video, short video. Now, we come up with the short video, and we also have a gamification and mobile access, which is we are using QR code, and this is like a digital transformation of learning, and we won for the silver award for the international competition at UNISA. And Alhamdulillah, this is only for our pilot test. Now this is not called as a pilot test anymore. This is the experimental, and student is already being tested for the two batches, which is the session A242 and currently A5251. Alhamdulillah. So this is all about. So the solution we use, because there's a visual infographic and also have a QR based micro learning, short video for difficult step, online quizzes. We separate for the 6 section, not only listing for the 1 until 30, but we separate for the 6 card in order to make sure that help the student to memorize all the card. Okay. So we also have a theory grounded. We want to make sure that they align with the theory, with these innovations, align with the theory of constructivism, cognitive load theory, and multimedia learning theory. And Alhamdulillah, these 3 theory are help this innovation to simplify the complex tasks and to promote the experiential to the students and motivate learner through the play-based engagement. Alhamdulillah. So we are not only about the practicing, so we also focusing for the theory drivens. Okay, so this is what the innovation is all about. So before this innovation doing, this is the the notes is only about the, it's not attractive. The listing about number 1 until 13th, so not attractive at all. So after we do the innovation, they come out with the very colorful, a very short and sweet, and have short video in order to make sure that student can learn anywhere, anytime they want. And we also give additional references to make sure that student have additional knowledge about this step and real situation for the restaurant and also hospitality industry. It will help them, yes, for sure. And this is about the demonstration. You can see this.
Baby, yo te busco como un Chinese. Tu recuerdo como la sombra behind me. Me pregunto si puedo llamarla like G. Siempre cambia, siempre es otra como un Ivy. No responde, pero siempre tira un like key. Eso me tiene pensando she likes me. Si te quedas conmigo, vamos a hacer twins. Podemos ganar el táctil. Hay algo que date. Estoy pensando otra vez, arriesgate. A ver, hoy puede suceder que me quede.
So this is the information time the student use practically.
Me gustaba desde los 19. Tu historia me tiene en psychic.
My name is Sabina, and I will be your hostess for today. Have you made any reservations?
From Singapore?
Yes. Alright, under...
So you have that actually, alhamdulillah. Lecturer also showed that she did well, alhamdulillah. These are all the testimony and all the quiz. Alright, so we go for, this is the smart service sequence poster. We tap this for the students to use in the restaurants, okay? And this is the implementation, the impact and result. We implement to the 16 students, A242, duration week 5 until week 13. The evaluation focus to the understanding, confidence and ease of learning. So Alhamdulillah, the understanding is increased from 62 increased to 91%. Confident, they are increasing to the 35%. And they are preferable, this learning kit over 60% student is preferred this tools, the learning kits, right? So they increase the confidence. The students successfully serve the VVIP. Nowadays they are being served for the TNCA, alhamdulillah. Then this is the feedback, the positive feedback and complimentation from the guests, right? This is all the student reflections. They are very happy.
Hello guys.
They were very happy.
Have you guys know about smart studying more fun and easier to? It makes studying hospitality more enjoyable and practical.
Colorful, easy to understand, fun to use. We have a very good feedback, and they say that this is the first time they see these innovations.
And a short of information, so easy to understand what they're trying to
More systematic.
explain. So now,
It's very helpful for them. They just
and
scan
we
them.
never see this information before.
Never
so
see this?
I think this is
This is
new
very
for us.
original
Yes,
from
and
us.
we can know a lot of information about right.
Alhamdulillah. So not just that, we are happy to announce that these innovations are being separated to the other industry, other institution, which is the Polytechnic Hulu Terengganu, one of the TVET institutions, and now they are using our innovation. They are currently using our innovation, and they give a very good feedback. That's the reason why they give our a letter for us to say thank you, because we are shared our innovation to them. And also we are being practicing to the Impiana staff at FME departments, and they also happy to see our innovation, alhamdulillah. So we want to make sure that we have a very good scalability and potential, try to have a AI based AR and commercialize to the platform. Maybe one fine day have applications. And last but not least, together let's create the impact. This learning kit empower a new generations of confident, digital literated hospitality professional by merging smart design with human-centered learning. This learning kit empower future hospitality professional to learn anytime, practice confidently, master service excellence, one interactive step at time. And I hope this small innovation will have a very huge impact, not only at UUM, and now we are being trusted to use in other institutions, alhamdulillah. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for all the judges to listen, and I really wish that we have a very good considerations, and we have expand our innovation time to time. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.